Hi everybody, I hope you are doing well. Today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of restricted account on the application of Rapid TV. We click on settings, then we click on apps, default apps, app settings. Here we click on Rapid TV, then we click on first stop and we click OK. Here you will enter to storage, then we click on clear cache. After that we click on Play Store. Here we search about Rapid TV, and then we'll update your app if you find update in this blue sign. So that's all. Don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time in another video, and thank you for watching and your